chocolates are after 8. So I googled and I found this recipe that you can make after 8s in the microwave. So of course I really want to try it. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. Melt 375 grams of dark chocolate in the microwave, stirring every 30 seconds until the chocolate is smooth and glossy. Pour half of the chocolate mixture over a prepared pan. Spread out with a spatula. And refrigerate for 15 minutes or until the chocolate has set. Sift 2½ cups of icing sugar into a microwave safe bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix to combine. Then microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, stopping every 30 seconds to stir. Set the mixture aside for 2 minutes to cool slightly. Then add in a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint essence. Mix until well combined. If the mixture is too thick, add 1 tablespoon of milk. I added this tablespoon a little at a time because I was unsure how much I would need, and I ended up not needing all of the 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix until everything is well combined and smooth. Remove the chocolate layer from the fridge and spread the peppermint mixture on top. Spread out. Refrigerate this for 15 minutes or until set. Pour the remaining chocolate over the peppermint layer and refrigerate until set. About 2 hours. Lift the chocolate from the pan and using a warm knife cut after 8s. My knife was obviously not warm enough, so it did shard the chocolate, but I think these came out quite great and I really love the taste. It tastes exactly like an after 8.